Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Strathmore, a vibrant town located in the heart of Alberta, Canada. Nestled in the Wheatland County, Strathmore is known for its picturesque landscapes and strong sense of community. The town is situated on the traditional territories of the Blackfoot Confederacy, the Stoney Nakoda, and the Tsuut'ina Nation, reflecting a rich Indigenous heritage. Strathmore was established in 1883 when the Canadian Pacific Railway expanded its network across the region. The town was named after the 3rd Earl of Strathmore, Claude Bowes-Lyon, who was a relative of Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother. This connection to British nobility is a unique aspect of Strathmore's history. Strathmore is characterized by its flat, fertile plains, which are ideal for agriculture. The town is surrounded by vast fields of wheat, canola, and other crops, making it an important hub for the agricultural industry in Alberta. The presence of the Trans-Canada Highway and the Canadian Pacific Railway has also contributed to Strathmore's growth as a transportation and commercial center. Today, Strathmore is a thriving community with a population that enjoys a mix of rural and urban amenities. Whether you're visiting for the day or considering a longer stay, Strathmore provides a warm and welcoming atmosphere with a rich tapestry of history and modern conveniences. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Strathmore, Alberta. Thanks for watching.